Alright, next you're gonna hear the entrance of Hades himself. He makes himself known to Eurydice, and he seduces her to come with him to Hadestown, the land of wealth and security, and leave her life of poverty with her lover Orpheus. And she is going to wrestle with her decision and finally succumb, and then the fates step in to tell her why she's made the right decision, because it's a dog-eat-dog world out there. And then we're gonna roll right into the next tune, which is Orpheus realizes that his lover's gone, and he calls out for her to wait for him. He's coming to get her, and Hermes is going to give him instructions how to get to Hadestown, the hobo instructions for the back way.
Little songbird, give me a song. I'm a busy man, I can't stay long. I got orders to fill, clients to call. I got a wall to build and rides to quill. They're giving me hell down in Hades. Hey, little songbird, cat got you down. It's always a pity for someone pretty and young. When poverty comes, clip your wings, knocks the air right out of your lungs. Nobody sings on empty.
Strange is the call of this strange man. I want to fly down and feed at his hand. I want a nice soft place to land. I want to lie down forever.
Hey, little songbird, got something fine. It shines like a diamond down in the mine. Choice is yours if you're willing to choose. And I could use a canary.
Suddenly, nothing is as it was. Where are you now, Orpheus? Wasn't it always the two of us? Weren't we birds of a feather?
Hey, little songbird, let me guess. He's some kind of poet, but he's penniless. You give him your hand, he gives you his hand to mount, and writes you a poem when the power's out. Why not fly south for the winter? Hey, little songbird, look all around you. See how the vipers and vultures surround you. They'll take you down, pick you clean. If you hang around, it's a desperate scene.
Orpheus, my heart is yours, always was and will be. It's my gut I can't ignore. Orpheus, I'm hungry. Oh, my heart, it aches to stay, but the flesh will have its way. All the way is dark and long. I'm What you gonna do when the chips are down? Now that the chips are down. Life ain't easy.
Life ain't fair.
Girls gotta fight for a right to share. What you gonna do when the chips are down? Now that the chips are down, what you gonna do?